In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a form and redirect in ClickFunnels 2.0. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, your form will not only submit correctly, but also send your visitors exactly where you want them to go next, whether that's another page in your funnel or an external link. First, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different sections. Look for the section labeled Funnels and click on it. This will open a list of all the funnels you've created in your account. From here, choose the funnel that contains the form you want to work with. If you have many funnels, it can help to name them clearly so you can quickly find the right one. After selecting your funnel, the funnel editor will load. In the center of the screen, you'll see all the steps or pages that belong to this funnel. Each step is usually represented as a card or tile. Hover your mouse over the page that has the form you want to edit, and then click to open that specific page in the page editor. Once the page editor has loaded, take a moment to scroll and locate your form. Find the Submit button within that form and click directly on it. When you do this, a settings panel, sometimes called a drawer, will slide open on the right side of the screen. This panel contains all the customization options for your button. In the button settings, look for the option labeled Button Action on Click or something similar. Just below that label, you'll see a drop-down box. Click on that drop-down to reveal your options. If you want the form to submit and then redirect visitors to another website, a specific link, a store page, or maybe your blog's homepage, choose the option called Go To. When you select this, additional fields will appear below the drop-down. Use these fields to specify where you want users to be redirected. For example, you might paste in a full URL or select one of your existing pages, depending on what ClickFunnels offers in your setup. If instead you want your visitors to move automatically to the next step in your funnel after they submit the form, go back to that same dropdown and choose Redirect to Next Step. With this setting, ClickFunnels will send users directly to the next funnel page you've defined in your funnel sequence. After you've chosen the appropriate action and, if needed, entered your destination URL or selected your page, make sure you save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the page editor and click the Save button. This is important. If you forget to save, your new redirect settings won't be applied. Once everything is saved, your form is ready to go. When someone fills it out and clicks the Submit button, they'll be automatically redirected exactly where you've configured them to go.